Alright, welcome back everybody, girls and boys, for another unboxing video. This one is for the DIY build for the truck. So I'm going to have a kitchen sink, and I'm going to have my toilet and all that good stuff, literally. So I got this bad boy. It's nothing fancy. The box is all beat up. I didn't want to get a nice one. And technically speaking, like, he hooked me up, man, Mikey. Okay, so look what I got, my peeps. What we got inside. So we got a pull-out kitchen faucet installation instruction. Please refer to the content as a manual part installation. So yeah, check it out. Hopefully I got all the parts, man. Hopefully. And then I can just go back and swap it. They're cool like that. Alright, that's that. Okay. Alright, you guys see it? You guys can see the whole thing. See step 2 and 3. Alright, and you can see step 4 and 5. And, you know, the paper's kind of wrinkled, and the reflection of the light, like the glare. I'm trying to do my best, my peeps. I'm sorry. You guys can pause it and all that good stuff. You can make some justice. Pause it, read it, look at it. Alright, my peeps. Now let's continue. These right here, and the installation, and you guys do this, man. Right? And then there's the condition. You guys can pause it, read it. Okay. That's it. Simple peasy. Alright, hopefully you guys can read it, look at the diagrams, the picture, and get a good idea how to go about this. Alright, hopefully I got everything, my peeps. Here it is. Got some fittings. Faucet adapter, 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. I don't know what this thing is. It's pretty heavy. You're gonna have to screw it on to something. So here it is. Just pretty much, my peeps. That's it. That's the whole thing. Let me get it. Back it up so you guys can see it. The whole thing on frame. So obviously it has the hot and the cold, right? Your blue and your red, cold, hot. And then right here, this hose is for this. So you can extend it. You know what I mean? Extend it, stretch it, and move it around. And I love sinks that are high. Alright, I have to elevate this now, my piece. Hold on. So like, this is gonna go like this, right? Oh yeah, I have to elevate this a little bit more. Hold on, my peeps. Gotta fix my legs so you guys can see everything. How, and yeah, cause I hate some sinks are like really annoying and frustrating. Yeah. Oh man, this is okay. I'm gonna have to put it on the side, like right here, right? So check it out. So look. Like me personally, I hate when there's sinks that is short. Like, you know, like I like this because it's elevated, and then plus you have the flexibility, and then you have like the different settings. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right, I don't know if you guys can see it. So you can, you know, adjust it, and it has all these different like settings, man. So then I could like swivel it around, you know, and then hot, cold. But yeah, my peeps, so this thing looks badass, but this is gonna be from my sink, from my DIY for the truck inside the camper shell. But there you go, my peeps. So this is gonna be for the truck, for the build. Alright, everyone. That's it. It only came with, yeah, that's it. Yep, that's it, my peeps. Just put everything back. Alright, my peeps, that's it for this video then. Alright. Smash that like button, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And thanks for following, everyone. And stay tuned for the next unboxing video. Alright, everyone. Peace. Love.